Hi guys, thank you for clicking this video, and this video presentation is about how to claim CNS or CoreDAO service token or CNS token airdrops. The first thing to do is just download MetaMask. If you have already MetaMask, just set it and just set the network into core. So just select a network, choose core. If you have no core listed, just copy this one, or try to click setting and click networks. Just find out core. If there is no core, just copy this one, or just add network. Okay, add network and click custom network, custom network. So just copy this one. Okay, after that, if you have already core network, so it need gas fee, just deposit core or just buy core, at exchanger. For example, EMAXC, because core is already listed here. So I will put down my referral link for this exchanger. I will put it on my description. Okay, this one is my referral link. My referral code 14HZD. Okay, after that, deposit USDT here under TRC 20 or BIP 20, because the minimum fund here is $6 to buy core. Just go to, if you already sign up in my referral link and download this one, EMAXC, and if you already have fund here, just go to markets and search core, and you can see futures and spot. Just click core/USDT under spot. So if you have already USDT, just click buy. Okay, so if you want your order is fast execution, just click the first price in the first price in the read market. I mean this read above first price, just like this one. 4072. Then you make it faster, just click 100%, then buy core. If you already bought a core, so just withdraw and it need enter address. So copy the address this one. So paste here, then it's depend on you how many core you buy. So after that, if the core is already listed here or already deposited here in MetaMask, so how to claim CNS token? So click this browser, the browser of MetaMask, and in the here in the search or type URL, paste this one. Just wait. Just copy this one. Copy. So paste here. So the website is https invite.coredao.domains. Okay, so then go. So you can see here, invite friend. Us and get the core address, and here in Telegram just type slash reward core address. After you send, and the bot give you CNS reward or congratulation. So Go back. Next, you need to bind my referral code so that you can get the reward. Six eight two A B 8 C 3 682 A B 8 C 3 682 A B 8 C 3. Okay, be sure that the code is correct so that you can receive CNS. Then bind. After you bind using my referral code, you can see CNS 200 and claim. But if you click the claim, it's not functioning or it's not working. So the thing the thing you should do is go back to browser, then type cordao.domains. So in this section you can see search and menu bar. Just click menu bar and you can see rewards, then click claim 200, click claim, then it need gas fee core, so click confirm below, browse, claim, then click confirm below, just browse below, then confirm. And now it's working. So already complete. So you can see core down name or service token that already claimed in your wallet, in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Jigstar TV. Thank you. In MetaMask, so just click CNS add token, add CNS to MetaMask, then you can see your core down name service token or CNS airdrops. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Jigstar TV. Thank you.